Do you dream of reciting the Quran fluently and beautifully? Do you long to understand the depth and richness of its Arabic language? In the rush of modern life, these dreams may seem distant. But the truth is, they're closer than you think. We are proud to serve students from more than 18 countries, and their testimonials speak louder than words. At Quranst Institute, we offer a comprehensive online learning experience in Quran recitation, Arabic language, and Islamic studies. Certified teachers, one-on-one sessions, flexible schedules, and full focus on your personal progress. We use modern methods and interactive tools to make learning engaging, enjoyable, and effective. Join hundreds of learners who started just like you and are now reading, understanding, and living the Quran with confidence. Our mission? To empower minds, strengthen identity, and bring the light of the Quran into every Muslim home. Our vision? To become the world's leading platform for Quran and Arabic education. Book your free trial lesson today and begin your journey with Quranst. Quranst, growing with the Quran. Quranst, a professional teacher right in your home. Ready to start your transformation?